Check out Dusk Riders All-in-One Motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. I will give you a forewarning. I had a Red Bull.
Is, well, better than milk.
Milk was a bad choice.
Milk was a bad choice. This comp is riding right back here, right behind us. You see him?
Mm-hmm.
I was just going to kind of pour on the throttle and change lanes, but I'm going to kind of hang out right here. Now he's behind you.
Yeah, I don't think he likes me too much.
Now he's moving over. He's cool.
Well, I'm going 50. So I don't want to speed it up too much.
Yeah, he's checking you out, dude.
Yeah, I know. I looked over at him, he looks away. Butterfly.
What's that?
I almost hit a butterfly.
Almost hit a
Yeah.
Oh, butterfly. Where are the girls in the bikinis, damn it?
That's about 1 block over to the left. Along with the traffic and the stop signs. That right there to the right is about the best you'll get on this road.
To the right.
Yeah, you missed it. She was about 70.
Oh, awesome. A little older than me.
A little bit. That was your little bikini sighting right there.
Damn it, I missed it.
Oh, jeez, dude. It's alright, it'll be in the thumbnail.
Blow it up.
Yeah.
You gotta play that music.
Sexual healing, baby.
That's fun. Let's get it on.
Okay.
Oh. Lord.
Hello. Look at that bike.
That was weird.
Big antique sale. Milk was a bad choice.
Milk is always a bad choice.
Yeah. You know what we do for antique sales, right?
What?
Hit the red line.
Or what, the R6 and the R1, I don't know what Yamaha does, but those bikes sound so good.
You know what else sounds good? Pizza.
The red line? Oh.
No.
I thought it was a trick question. Yeah, pizza.
What type of phone do you think would fit in this thing? A Nokia?
A Nokia flip phone.
Hello? Mr. Couch?
Dude, I don't see the appeal. I really don't.
Rocking the New Balances? That's you know, the chicks like those bikes because they vibrate so much, right?
Is that what it is?
Yeah, the big Harley Rumble. That's honestly what the guy at the dealership told me.
Really?
I'm like, what's the hype over these bikes? They're not that cool. And he's like, yeah, but the chicks love them.
Oh, that's funny. How does that explain Ori Dirk having 2 of them, 3 of them?
Oh, maybe he likes
Maybe he likes the vibration.
He likes it himself, yeah.
Exactly. Here, to the right. There you go.
Oh.
Hello.
That's more your style.
Dude, I don't know why that guy's carrying a football. What does he think he's gonna do? Throw a football with those 2 chicks?
He looks tough. And I sucked.
What the heck? There's a sign that says hemp, and it says turn right. Did you see that? Dude, that guy right there is paying for an hour session. I can feel it. Oh, what is this? Is this the bike parking?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like it. That's what's good about these things. You could just kind of talk and they don't know what you're talking about.
I know exactly.
There we go.
Nice. Wait, have you had those pants since you were like 7th grade? I'm
Yeah.
Okay, you said that earlier.
Yeah, I know. I was like, wait a second, how did you know? How did you know this?
Oh, it's funny.
I forgot I said that. I was like, wait a second.
It got Edge freaking me out.
Are you a cop? Ah! Oh, there you go. Take a left.
Left? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I should have went.
Yeah.
I'll go after these.
Just go right.
Big truck.
Ah, screw it.
Oh, you are a monster. Young whippersnapper?
That hard.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, I think that guy flicked me off.
Did he?
Yeah.
Hello? Your blinker's on.
Oh, yeah? Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's funny.
That.
See if you can get him to blow the horn.
Oh, that's perfect.
Awesome.
Come, red line 87. Yeah. Dust Rider. Alright, we're going to be turning right.
There you go. Hello?
No. That right there, that's all you.
Gotta draw the line, dude.
I was looking over there, and I was... Oh, dude, DRZ, I think.
It's a TW.
Oh, TW 250. Or TW 200.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, I gotta draw the line somewhere. I don't know about you.
No. That's what.
She was rocking the Do It With Dan Camaro status.
Exactly.
Yep.
Wow, look at that view.
Yeah. This is gonna look awesome on the camera.
Minus the smokestacks in the background.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Damn it. Get out of my way. That's right.
Huh. This is awesome. Oh yeah, run. Oh, you're going off. Oh no. Dude, there's probably sand spurs and all in that thing.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Oh.
Alright, let's go. Alright, you get kicked out of here before we get out of here. Oh yeah, that must be his car over there.
Yeah. Very appropriate.
I'm a hooligan, that's why.
Oh yeah?
Make a right?
Yeah.
Flaker's on.
Thank you. After I did the wheelie.
Exactly. Oh, we did it!
A little bit.
Damn, I wish I had my camera. Crap.
Boat. Car. Bird.
Birds.
Name everything out loud.
S-curves. Get out of the way, Prius. Damn it. Another Prius. That's a cop right there, I think. Yeah, it is. You ever watch that Naked and Afraid?
Oh yeah. I've seen it. I hopped on that real quick. I'm like, oh yeah, I've seen it. Now, I'm not a big fan of it or anything.
Really?
We actually don't even have cable TV.
Oh, good for you.
That's why I just watch YouTube videos. That's why I'm up to date on everything.
I need to get rid of my cable TV. Because you can watch everything on the internet. There he goes.
Now, that was the second gear. I need to do them in first gear. You were shaking. Man, I saw you start shaking real bad.
Yeah, and that wasn't even pinned. I still had room to go.
Yeah.
I don't really have a shtick, but...
Dude, I love that build series, man.
The MILF?
No.
Oh, the MILF?
No, I said the build series.
Oh, the build series.
Yeah.
I thought you said MILF.
No.
Where? I said where? Where?
No. God.
Dude, don't say words close to MILF.
Milk was a bad choice. What are they doing? Don't stop. Oh my goodness.
Oh jeez. We got a minivan in front of us. That's not good.
Oh no. I hope all these cars just turn.
I see blinker. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. One more.
Ah, dang it. We almost had fun.
Oh, nice.
Alrighty. Say your little exit. Say.
Oh, hit the red line?
No. Well, this was good riding with motojunkii, guys, and until next time, I'll see you later.